Welcome to the Science and Math Connection. I am Hannah. Nice to meet you. And this is really the start of my YouTube channel. So if you found this video, congrats. You're here in the right place. This is video number 1. Parents and students alike can watch these. Young kids to college students as well. This is not going to be far out math and science. I really hope to connect math and science together, hence the math and science connection. Yay! So, this video also gets to be my rant about why I'm here. So, I have I don't even have a school-age kid yet, but I taught public school for 3 years, all right? So, I've been there. I've taught hundreds of high school students across chemistry, AP classes, algebra to pre-cal to AP calculus. So I've been there. I've been with these students who ask these questions about why are we doing math in science class? Miss, this is science class. Where do you think math comes from? I just have to ask, kids think it's so separate. We do math over here, and then we come down the hall and do science. And then we go across the hall and do English. That's what kids think. And then, of course, a couple periods later, we're going to go to history. That's what kids think. They think that math is not allowed in science. Science is not allowed in math. But that's not real life. That's not. We wouldn't have math without science, without somebody asking why the earth spins on the way it does. How many miles away are we from the sun? We wouldn't have math if we weren't asking scientific questions and explaining how the world turns. Oh, how fast is that car going? That's a science question, but we answer it with math. All right? Math explains science. And so without science, we also don't have math. We'd be doing addition and subtraction and maybe some multiplication and the occasional division, all right? And counting money, but that's just addition and subtraction again. So without these curious questions, we don't have these higher level maths that people talk about. Why do we need this math? Well, why are we on a full moon today? Because it's a certain day of the year and we're on a certain level of the axis of the earth spinning around the sun and the moon is spinning around the earth. It's all answered by math. Such a simple question, and it involves so many different aspects of our world. And so if we're not asking these questions, then of course kids are going to ask, why do we need to know how to find x in an equation? Well, because I want to know how much reactant I need in this chemical reaction. But when I know I have this and I want this, I need to know how much of this one reactant that I have. I need to know how much, let's say chlorine. I need to know how much chlorine I need because I have 50 grams sodium and I want to make 100 grams of salt. Okay? Pretty simple. Is it going to be is it going to be simple as adding? Not necessarily, because these are different elements we're working with that have different atomic weights. And so all of that goes in there. So we solve it using so we need a little bit of chemistry, we need a little bit of algebra. And so that's what I'm here for. This is why I'm doing a YouTube channel. And that's why it's called the Science and Math Connection, because I'm going to weave those math and science ideas together. We're going to talk about chemistry along with algebra, but not just algebra. I'm not going to study algebra all year long and then do chemistry over here. No, we're going to do a little bit of algebra, and then we're going to do some geometry when we talk about solids and solid shapes and how atoms bond together. They go hand in hand, but we're separating them too much. And that's what I want to do. I want to tackle the fun stuff like chemistry. Some of the easy stuff we talk about, like 2 + 2 = 4. Why? Fun videos like that. And then, of course, some of the not so fun, some of the hard stuff, like how we can do calculus with physics. Physics is so much easier when you know just a teeny little bit of calculus. All right, but we're too busy teaching algebra when we do physics and just drilling formulas into these kids' heads and saying that's all you need to know. No, that's not all you need to know. Why is it like this? Why are we doing this? And we don't need to give them formulas when they know just a little bit of calculus. If they know a little bit of calculus, guess what? You come up with the formula for the problem on your own. You don't need something else. So if you have the velocity of your physics problem, you can have the acceleration in one step. You don't need a fully separate formula or fully separate variables. No, they're all there for you. Okay, that's my rant. That's where I am coming from. That's why, like I said just a minute ago, that's why I'm here. I want to do this. I want to be here for your kids, for the adults that still have these burning questions. So please like this video. Comment down below with your question, with your subject matter that you want covered, that burning question that's been itching in your mind. And I just hope I'll do a video on it and it'll answer your question, and we'll have lots of fun together as you join me on this journey. And then I will take all of those and video after video, I'm hoping to cover many, many things and integrate science and math for you. So post those questions, comment below with what you're thinking about this. Science and math just don't have to be so hard. Why do we make it so hard? So I hope to inspire you, and I hope that you enjoy the journey with me, even if you're just along to watch some silly videos about math and science. So subscribe to the Math and Science Connection, or the Science and Math Connection. Hopefully you can find it either way. But I'm here to answer your questions, and I'm really looking forward to it. And so I really enjoyed meeting you and hope you like this video. Bye.